Hey, what's going on, guys? Boost the Whips here. I just wanted to do a quick video update here. I installed side skirts on my car. I did not videotape the whole process because it is a little tedious to do this while filming, and the area is a little bit restricted. But these are the side skirts that I got. They go with self-tapping screws on the bottom. I added some additional screws, but basically this is how it looks. I'm going to show you the bottom so you guys can see where all the screws are drilled, but it's pretty straightforward. You just got to jack up the car, go ahead and install these. These here, they may not fit your build or whatnot, just simply because I have some mud guards. So what I did is I went just a little bit further in, just so that I can balance from the back. So on the back I am a little further out, but it's hardly, seen from here. So I painted these. These come in a flat black kind of primer type of look. So I ended up putting a gloss black paint on it, and I painted it myself, so that way I can have a whole matching gloss black lip kits all around. So I'm going to show you the bottom, and then I'm going to show you a whole full shot of how everything looks. Alright guys, as you guys can see from the bottom, so many screws I have. I put 10 on each side. And then I added about like 3 or 4 more just on the areas that I thought needed more reinforcements. But basically that's it, guys. Nothing crazy, nothing complicated. Reason I didn't film while I was doing it because it's self-explanatory. But anyways, I'm gonna show you the final result and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, here's the side skirts. It complements the lip spoiler that I did, plus the rear side wings. It gives it a nice look. I'm gonna give you another shot from the front kind of angle so you guys can see. Alright, so this is another angle, so that way you guys can see from the front all the way towards the back. And to wrap it up, this is from the back view. So you have the diffuser, the black exhaust, side wings, and the side skirts. We'll give it a whole full walk around and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and give me a like, share, subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, go ahead and drop them below. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.